This spectacular Santa Barbara French home with contemporary elements will transport you to another time. With classic details like Palladian windows and rounded doorways, this estate offers modern living in a timeless home. The gated entrance and sophisticated circular motor court introduce you to this graceful 1-acre estate built in 2011. Upon entering the foyer, you are greeted by ascending ceilings and beautiful Palladian windows highlighting unobstructed mountain views. Grand living begins in the living room with its double-height ceiling, a grand fireplace, and glass doors to the patio. The formal dining room is both elegant and intimate and opens to an outdoor dining space. The chic gourmet kitchen includes stainless steel appliances and a massive island. The main floor also offers a cozy family room with another fireplace and a bedroom suite. Up the curved staircase are more bedrooms, including the spacious primary and light-filled ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub, marble floors and countertops, and dual closets. The home features an inviting pool and hot tub, lushly landscaped entertaining areas, and mountain views. The guest house has its own entrance and gate and features another spa with an outdoor shower, cold plunge, and soaking tub. This estate includes state-of-the-art smart home technology, upgraded security systems, and solar technology. This truly exceptional estate successfully captures the true essence of the Montecito lifestyle. The home was sold for $8,600,000 in March of 2022.